It's been a long time since we've been in the same room, and I know it's been annoying. That's my thing. It wasn't just 3 guys in a band together. I mean, we were awesome in 7th grade when life was grand and milk money was everywhere. And like, I can't keep feeling that pain. Just give me a second. So I've got this gig, this stage, this legendary platform in the middle of a motorcycle rally. I mean, it's nuts. You take over everywhere you look. Motor pickle, motor pickle, motor pickle, blah, 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 blah. Hell yeah, brother. I mean, for days. It's awesome. Legendary Buffalo Chips. I have played on that stage a bunch with a lot of different bands. Hell, I've even played with Snoop Dogg. Not true. It's not just a festival. This is where people go to get loose. This is where people go to live. Let's go to Georgia!